In 2006, the tiny Indonesian village of Nantu was gripped by fear when a rainstorm unleashed what locals described as blood-red water. This bizarre phenomenon baffled meteorologists and frightened villagers, believing it to be an omen or a curse. Investigations revealed that the red rain was caused by microscopic red algae mixed with water, yet the villagers remained unconvinced of this explanation. Some claim the rain was the result of a ritual gone wrong, connecting the event to ancient local beliefs. Could this strange occurrence have been a warning of deeper issues? What do you think it meant for the villagers?